for you. This is for Windows 10 mouse settings. Mouse settings are something that most people ignore. You plug in your mouse and you just leave it how it is, and if it's annoying, you just get used to it. But you can customize it a little bit. So the easiest way to do that is go down to your search box and type in mouse. Choose mouse settings, and this brings up the Windows 10 mouse settings. If you're left-handed, you can switch this to right. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to leave it on left. You can change the cursor speed. See, right now it's kind of a medium 7, I guess. You can go down to 2, and it moves really slow. Or you can go up to like 20 and zoom it across this screen, which is so annoying. It's hard to control. I'm going to go back to 7. You can set the scroll so that it either is multiple lines at a time or one screen at a time. I personally like multiple lines at a time, so if I use the scroll wheel, it just goes down a little bit. Like, here's how many lines you want it to go at once. 3 is what it's set at. I like 3. You can change that. I think it goes all the way up to like 196. So yeah, 3 is what I use. And scroll inactive windows when I hover over them. I'm not really sure what that means, but anyways, there's some more settings over here. If you go over to this side, so you can click on here. This lets you get a bigger pointer if you like. So if someone can't see real well, they might want it bigger. Look how big that cursor is. Woo, that's kind of fun. You can change the color. Black. Ooh, red. Ooh, you can pick any color you want. Purple, pink, whatever. That's kind of fun. Oh, you can pick a custom color. Okay, I really like this. So there, now we got a yellow one. Let's just go back. Okay. That's really fun, but that's not all you can do. There's additional mouse settings where... Here we go. This is what I wanted. This is the old, like, Windows 7 settings that may look more familiar to you. You can double click faster, slower. You can change your primary buttons. Here's different pointers you can choose from. So you can just scroll through and pick a different scroll if you'd like. There's some options for the speed. That was also on the other page. You can have trails. I don't know why you'd want that. I don't know. I don't like that. You hide the pointers, all sorts of things. More wheel settings. And this tells you what your hardware device actually is working properly. Tells you what kind it is. This is a Microsoft mouse. So obviously it says Microsoft. Anyways, yeah, so if that's your mouse settings, I would play around with it a little bit and customize it so that it works well for you, because everybody's different and what I like might not be what you like. So have fun with it. You can always put it back. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it was short, but please subscribe and click like if you enjoyed it, and come back again. See you next time.